everyone, today I'm outlining the process steps for users in Indonesia to purchase Trump tokens without any fees. Whether you are interested in spot tradings or engaging in leverage long short positions, this guide will assist you. Let's get started. Let's introduce you new cryptocurrency gem, KCEX. 3 fantastic features that you will appreciate. First, zero fees. Unlike Coinbase, which has a 0.6% makers and 1.2% taker fees, KCEX offers no fees for both spot and futures tradings. Second, no KYC. You can begin trading right away with just an email. There is no need for identifications or documentation. Third, free bonus. Utilize my referral link in the description to receive 490 USDT immediately. Use it for trading or withdrawing. Always ensure you use the official KCEX account link to stay safe from phishing scams. Let's proceed with transferring USDC from Coinbase to KCEX via Base Wallet and Base Chain. Why use Coinbase Wallet? Coinbase does not currently support direct transfer to KCEX, so we need to use a what's wrong. However, Coinbase wallets can connect directly to Coinbase, enabling fast and seamless transfers. We will use Base Chain, a layer 2 network developed by Coinbase that offers zero gas fees and fast transactions. Here is step-by-step transfer process. Log into Coinbase. On the right, click Send Crypto. Choose Coinbase Wallet as the recipient. Select USDC and remember to choose Base Chain. Enter the amount, start with 10 USDC as a test. Click Preview. Click the first ones and fill out the information. Click Preview Send and confirm the transactions by clicking Send Out. Open Coinbase Wallet. Click Send. Enter the amount 10 again. Click Next. Enter your recipient address. On KCEX, go to Wallet. Click Deposit. Choose USDC. Select Base Chain. Copy the deposit address. Paste the address into the Coinbase Wallet. Confirm the transactions by clicking Send. Within 5 minutes, scroll down to see recent deposits. Confirm the status is succeed. This method ensures a smooth transfer while bypassing Coinbase direct transfer limitation to KCEX. Next, we need to swap USDC to USDT and start earning 5% APY. Why swap USDC is easier for Indonesian users to buy, but Trump trades in USDT. How to convert USDC to USDT? Click Spot, search for USDC in the KCEX top bar, click on it, enter the trading page, and click Sell USDC. Select Market Order, enter total USDC balance, just use this line, and click Sell USDC. Once deposited, you can earn 5% APY. If total assets greater than 500 USDT, go to Wallet, click Flexible Savings, tick the box, and enable Flexible Savings. Click Convert, and then let's buy Trump tokens on the spot market. Click Spot at the top. Select trading pairs. The default is Bitcoin USDT. In the search bar, type Trump and select Trump USDT. For market order, instant executions, choose markets, enter the amount, such as 10 USDT, and click Buy Trump. For a limit order, set target price, choose limits, enter a price below the current market rate, such as 10, sell the monthly fights, and click Buy Trump. Click Convert. To check your holdings, go to your wallet, click Spot, scroll down, and find the Trump balance, view your holdings, and profit and loss. And the most important part, which is leverage long short tradings on Trump, click Futures. Key concept here, buying long means expecting the price to rise, borrowing USDT to buy it, and selling at a higher price for profit. Going short means expecting the price to drop, borrow Trump to sell, and buy back at a lower price for profits. Step-by-step guide to going long, click on Futures, select Trump USDT perpetual contrast, adjust key settings, margin mode, choose isolated, to limit risk to a set margin amount, click Convert, leverage, select 5 times from the drop-down, scroll to adjust, open a long position. I will use market order as an example, enter the margin amount, for example 10 USDT. The system shows how much Trump you can buy, click open long, convert the order. Monitor position, scroll down and check the open position tab to track liquidation price and profit and loss. Going short, follow the same steps. Here leverage at 5 times, enter the amount, 10 as well, click open short, click convert. In the end, KCEX allows free withdrawal for all cryptocurrencies. Go to wallet, click withdraw, choose coin, enter details, his external wallet address, enter the full withdrawal amount, click submit. Processing time usually within 10 minutes, depending on blockchain transactions. So in conclusion, KCEX is the cheapest, no KYC crypto exchange globally. Use my link below to grab your 490 USDT bonus. If this helps, smash like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time.